Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be creating this pink magenta eye look. So if you wanna see how I got this look, just keep watching. So the first thing I did is I took a light baby pink eyeshadow. This one is Kashmir from Paese. And I tried applying this with a brush, but I found that it was more opaque with my finger, so that's what I started with. Then I just took that same shade on a brush so I could get a cleaner line. Next I'm going into the Morphe Artistry palette in 9J Just to Crush, and I'm going into the magenta shade in the middle, which is called First Kiss. I took the shade on my outer eyelid area and into the outer part of my crease. I didn't take it into the inner part of my crease or anything like that, I just wanted it to sort of be a block of dark pink on the outside. Then I went back in with that light pink color because I had taken the magenta color higher up, so I wanted to connect the two. Then I just went in and blended between the two colors so I had a seamless transition. Next I went in with a magenta eyeliner. This one is the Rimmel London Wonder Swipe in the shade Mega Hottie. And I created a winged eyeliner with this. I thought this liner was really beautiful over the light pink, but I felt like it sort of blended into the darker pink, so I wanted to go over it with something lighter. I went in with the Huda Beauty Light Nude Obsessions palette and I chose this duochrome type glittery shade, and I went over the liner with this one. On my bottom lash line I have the First Kiss shade from the Morphe palette. My brow bone and inner corner highlight is a Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in the shade Rose Quartz. Then I line my waterline with a nude eyeliner. The one I'm using here is Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in the shade Boundless Bisque. Finally, I went in with a couple of coats of mascara. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next video.